Hi everyone, this is Shai. Today we have a package from YesStyle. Wow. So first up, we'll talk about some food. So I have 4 foods here. So we have 2 from Calvi.
And we have a snack noodle and a Pretz biscuit roasted flavor.
I also have a skincare from YesStyle. And I also got some makeup from the 3CE. So here is what I've got. And also some mini lipstick. I'm wearing one of the lip shades right now and also for my eyes. I also got a travel makeup pouch. I really like it because it is big, and when I opened it, it has lots of space. Like here you can put all your makeup here, like some liquid foundation, could be your powder. And then another good thing about here is that you can also put your brushes. And there's also another space here to put a lot of stuff, make it secure. And if you have any other like toiletries or wipes or whatever you have, you can also have another compartment here. So you can see, you can put a lot of stuff here and also here. Big thumbs up. I recommend you buy this one because it is very travel friendly. It also comes with a sling, so you could carry this as a handbag or as a sling bag. Very nice. Prove. And now let's move on to footwear. I have one pair of shoes here. I really like this one because it's like a chunky type of shoes. It's about 3 inches, I guess. So let's try this on.
First impression, I really love the design. I also really love the color. One drawback is it is a bit heavy.
Next we have a block heel sandal. I think it is also about 3 to 4 inches. Let's try this on.
One thing I like about this sandal is it is comfortable. Even though it is about 3 to 4 inches, I can walk properly. And then I also love the orange and yellow color of the strap and the print.
And now let's move on to clothes. So I have one pants here. This is a fleece jogger pants. As you can see, it is very soft. I'm amazed by the cloth of this pants. I hope it fits nice. So let's try it on.
First things first, I really love this because it has real pockets. Aside from this, it is a perfect fit and it is also very soft. Love it.
So it is a turtleneck, and then it is cropped, and it is a long sleeve. When I touch the clothing, it's a bit thinner, but that's okay because here in the Philippines it is hot. I really like the cloth. It is very soft and yeah, it is comfortable.
I love how it is fitted in the wrist area. I love the design. Also, I usually see this kind of top on K-pop idols. That's why I bought this. I also love how it looks at the back. This is a one size.
We have a one shoulder lace type of top. My first impression on this one is, yeah, it's a bit thin. I don't know what it looks like when you have a bra on. I think I suggest you use a nude or black or white bra. I think it's nice because you can adjust it if it is too fit or is it too loose. So let's try this on.
So I have used a padding instead of a bra, and it is a bit difficult tying the laces at the back, but overall I really like it.
So next we have a camisole top. What I like about this one is that it has already padding, so you can choose to not wear any bra anymore. And then I really like the clothing. Yes. So let's try it on.
First impression, I really don't like the padding of this top, so I recommend that you use a bra instead. I love the shade of pink. I love how it is fitted well.
We have a fishnet bodysuit. Here. Wow, I'm amazed by this one. I really like it. I'm excited to try this one. Let's try it on.
The size of this bodysuit is medium, so if you want it to be a bit loose, I suggest you size it up. If fitting, stick to your original size.
So that's all for my YesStyle haul. I hope you enjoyed my video, and also don't forget I also have a rewards code which is Shira1010 for an additional % off. So that's all for today, guys. Bye.